Today's phrasal verb uses the same preposition as last week's, which was give up. This week, our phrasal verb is show up. This means to arrive at a place, and sometimes we use it to suggest that the person or thing arrived late or unexpectedly. We can also use it at other times.
上個禮拜嘅短語動詞呢，就係放棄，而今次嘅短語動詞係同上次係同一個介詞。今個禮拜嘅短語動詞呢，就係露面，而今次係指到達出現咗喺一個地方，或者有時呢個字會建議喺有啲人或者一件事嗰度遲到，或者係出乎意料咁樣見到。
Here are some samples with explanations. After waiting for nearly 45 minutes, Carlton decided Abby was not coming, and he should just go home. But just as he was about to leave the cinema lobby, she finally showed up, making excuses about a traffic jam. After waiting for nearly 45 minutes, Carlton decided Abby was not coming, and he should go home. But when he was leaving the cinema lobby, she finally arrived, making excuses about a traffic jam.
當等咗接近45分鐘，卡騰就決定咗 Abby 係唔會嚟㗎啦。佢應該要返屋企。當佢離開咗戲院嘅大堂， Abby 最終露咗面。佢講嘅遲到嘅藉口係因為塞車。
Although Dave was expecting the package to come on Friday, he was quite excited when it showed up on Wednesday. He hoped the new drone wouldn't crash. Although Dave was expecting the package to come on Friday, he was quite excited when it arrived on Wednesday. He hoped the new drone wouldn't crash.
雖然 Dave 一早預計咗佢嘅包裹會喺星期五嗰度嚟，但佢仍然好興奮。當佢嘅包裹提早咗喺星期三嚟到，佢希望呢個新嘅無人駕駛飛機唔會有損毀。
We should leave home early tomorrow in case there is traffic, so we can show up on time. We should leave home early tomorrow in case there is traffic, so we can arrive on time.
聽日我哋應該早啲離開屋企，以防塞車，咁樣我哋先可以準時。